hand on up. Full res on me. We're gonna push into OTL now. Push into it now. We're gonna go to the left side. Get ready with winds. On the circle and winds and breaches right here. We're gonna shade prep. Don't let them stay here. We're gonna move across. On top in 3, 2, 1. On top, on top, on top. Keep moving, guys.
Lots of down behind.
Big water here. Right here on circle, and we're gonna push back to where we came on the other side, to the north in 3, 2, 1. Right here. And then to the right towards inner. Down, down, down. Full stack on circle. Strike in 3, 2, 1. Good stab up. Roll forward. Roll forward. Roll forward. Roll forward. Get to the circle here and get winds and DPS here. Winds and DPS here. Breaches here. Breaches. Don't push me forward. Don't push me forward. Come back to me, guys. You're going too far. You're going way too far. Come back to Lord. Back to Lord. Back to Lord.
I'm a maverick. Flexible, so elastic, but don't you dare bend
back to Lord. They're going
Fuck a princess, I'm a king.
right here. Back on the back of it. There's another man.
Being a bitch is my kink.
Go back to empower. We're putting stealth down in 3, 2, 1. Stepping. Moving into the choke in 3, 2, 1. We're gonna stab again. Hug the left side, guys. Hug the left side.
I'm crazy, but you like that.
Stab. And roll and damage on the circle. And we're roll to the left, move to the left, move to the left. Stay with her, stay with her, stay with her. Stay on the circle here. We're gonna move up the steps, move up the steps now. Onto the steps, onto the steps. Big water on the steps. Right here at the top. Everything at the top, everything at the top. Stay right here, stay right here. Let them jump, let them jump, let them go. Put stealth down now as we're moving. Stealthily move, stealthily move. Blast and cut. Come to the right a little bit.
Big glass platforms, bitch, I'm choosy. Long blue hair, blue as a bruise. Only trust a fella for some light amuse me. I'm no prey, but I am pursued. Pray for me, not on the
stay on it, stay on it, move towards the center, move towards the center. Right here on circle, we're going to go left. Go left a little bit, stay out of their bomb, stay out of their bomb. Stay on the guys, not pushing them apart.
Bat out and kiss on my ring.
Right on.
Being a bitch is my
Moving back
kink.
towards SM now, back towards SM, back towards SM.
Fuck a princess, I'm a king.
Get to the circle here, I'm putting water down, putting water down.
It's
That's
gonna
that water,
hurt
we're
it to
turning back.
sing. Spitting
Moving to
the
the
blood
left
in the
towards
sink.
Oceana,
Crazy,
moving
but
towards
you
Oceana.
like that.
Moving to the circle here.
Bags on your
Come to the right a little bit, stab up. Time to get reflex up, stay a little bit, stay a little bit. We're scattered, hell hardcore. Come up the house, to the right, come up to the right. Go forward here, go forward to the circle. What's stealth at?
I'm crazy, but you like
12 seconds.
Okay, we're moving towards SL in 3, 2, 1. On the follow the road, do touch the front. Right here on circle, get ready with winds 2. Winds 2 on me. Bomb here. Put on them, stay on them, stay on them, stay on them. Winds 2 down the slope, down the slope. Come with me guys, come with me, stay with me. Virgin here. Right here on circle, stay and sustain, stay and sustain. Stab, stab, stab. Why can't my stab go off?
Because
We're moving towards SM, move towards SM now. Move towards SM, everyone towards SM. Everyone good? Stay here on circle, right here on circle.
You know Josh likes cats more than people?
I love my cat. We're empowering. Putting stealth down in 3, 2, 1. Stealth. And we're following the circle. Moving in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, follow my Instagram. It's called 2kittyblue.
2 cats, 1 cup.
No!
Right here on circle. Get ready with winds 1. Winds 1 right here. Push into it hard. Go into these downs. Go into these downs. Go into these downs. So we're gonna push back to the east side in 3, 2, 1. Stay on the stairs. Stay on the stairs. Get to hamlock. Get ready with winds 2 right here. And we're gonna push east. Get hamlock up. Pushing east now into this. Winds 2. Good winds here. Stay on top of this group. Get pulls on top of us. And we're gonna go down the steps here towards the courtyard. Get pulls up, Guardian. 3 downs. Go Pokemon the downs, guys. Pokemon the downs. Don't chase anymore. Stealth in 3, 2, 1. Stealthing. Moving out for choke in 3, 2, 1. Choke. Get ready with winds 1. Don't attack yet. We're going on to Hob right here on circle. Get ready with winds 1. Winds 1. Now, Hob. And keep pushing into it towards the center. Come to the left. Winds 2 right here on circle. Don't let them get in. This is the Hob commander. Moving towards Bay now. Moving towards Bay now. Get CC up on Slithering. The group on circle and Slithering. We're empowering here. Moving to the north side. Onto the circle right here. Onto the parapet. And then into the... We're up the steps, guys. Up the steps now. Up, 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 up. What's winds 1 at?
Ready.
Drop down. Roll into this here. Okay, winds 1 now. Winds 1 now. Onto the bridge. Onto the bridge. Onto the bridge. Get poured. Get CCs, immobs, anything right here. Stay on circle. Stay on circle. We're not pushing it farther. Get CC on top of us. Stay. 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 CC on top of us. Moving back towards our catalyst now. Move out. Putting waters here. Water here,
Dragon
water here,
banner.
water here, water here. Move towards the steps again. Move towards the step. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What's stealth at?
It's up.
Moving towards the circle, towards this gate. Get to the circle. Empowering.
Inner's down.
Empower, empower, empower. Putting stealth down in 3, 2, 1. Removing the stealth. Moving towards the stair. So this inner stair. What's get ready with wins 2. Stay left, stay left, stay left. And turn right into it now, right here. Hit damage here. Wins 2 now, wins 2 now. Water at the bottom of the steps. Bomb here, bomb here, bomb here. Stay right on top of me. Stay on top of me, guys. Stay on top of me. We're pushing towards the inner steps in 3, 2, 1. Towards inner steps, inner steps, inner steps. Right here. Stay. Looking back at the bridge, looking back at the bridge. We're empowering. We're pushing towards the bridge in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Kid pulls up on circle. Pulls up on circle if you can. Roll into it, roll into it, roll into it. Go in this corner here and breaches. Lots of strips here, Full bomb here, We're moving onto the bridge in 3, 2, 1. Onto the bridge. Pulls up on circle. Damage here. And then get to the circle here. And then we're gonna look back at the other side.
Yeah, purple there.
Move left. Get wins 1 right here. Wins 1 on the circle. Pull on top of us. Hit Dom. We're gonna rotate north towards the cata spot. You can't go towards the gate. Yeah. Right here on circle. We're re-empowering. OTL's on top of us. We're pushing onto ATL now. Roll into it. Okay, wins 2 here. Wins 2 right here. Move with them. Stay with him. Get pulls right here. We're gonna stay. Come back towards. Oh fuck! What are you? Oh my god! Roll towards inner. Come towards inner.
Scared like crazy.
Right here on top. We're doing power. Levi's on top of us. Right here on Levi. Get pulls here. Pulls breaches. Right here on Levi. Move towards handline. Try and get handline up if you can. Right handline. We're gonna move towards inside, guys. We're moving inside. In 3, 2, 1. Move inside.
That's my fault, dude. I got lost in the north.
We're re-empowering. In 3, 2, 1. We're pushing out in 3, 2, 1. We're putting stealth down in 3, 2, 1. Blast in front. Right here on circle. Go into Levage. Right here. Bomb hard. Go into it. Keep moving circle. Follow the circle. We're going to rotate to the right. Keep rotating to the right. Right here on top of us. And we're going to push back till we can. Get our guys. Full res our people. Get Dawn. Moving back towards inner. Move back towards the south. Inner, south, outer.
Titties are little tummy showing.
Super speed coming in. Saints coming in.
Yeah, right. Move up. Where's the flow? Inside. Here's some stats. Everyone in. We'll move forward in 3, 2, 1. Self down in 3, 2, 1. Self in. Bouncing front. Get ready to stab. We're gonna roll forward. We're rolling forward. Get wins here. Fucking hit it hard, guys. Right on top of us. Stay right here. Don't push any farther. Sustain right here. Let the other guy push deeper. Stay right here. Sustain. Hug the left side, guys. We're pushing forward onto them in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Roll now. Roll. Get to the circle here and get breaches here if you can. Yeah, nothing's working. Push back onto the bridge, guys, and we're going to move down.
There's a tag out there.
We're putting stealth down in 3, 2, 1. Stealth. Moving down 3, 2, 1. Roll forward. Get to the circle, and then look at them. Pushing in 3, 2, 1. Right here on circle. Wins. Rotate left. And we're going to push back out in 3, 2, 1. Push right back out on top of them. And we're going to rotate to the right. Get CC on Swiggly. They're staying right here on circle. Right here. We're moving into them in 3, 2, 1. Right here on circle. Pull right here if you can. Pull right here. Just a little chunk. We're not pushing down. Stay up. Okay. Moving down. Oh, stay up. Right here on the circle. We're re-empowering. What's stealth at?
8 seconds.
Okay. Oh shoot, what's she doing now?
Just get the lag is starting.
Stealth is up.
Hammer on metal.
Stay right here. Come back to me. Don't roll back. Right here on circle. We're pushing into it in 3, 2, 1. Right here on circle. Back onto it. We're gonna put water down here, and then we're gonna rotate right towards the portal. Rotate right. Get out of this, get out of this, get out of this. Right here in front of Sin. Stay right in front of Sin. Get one. Breaches on top of us. Breaches on top of us. We're gonna push into it. Into the center of the courtyard. In 3, 2, 1. Into the center of the courtyard. Get right here on Grim. Right here on Grim. Try and res him. Res if you can. Res if you can. Please on top of me. We're pushing to the top of the bridge in 3, 2, 1. Top of the steps. Top of the steps. I'm going into Tome 3. Putting resistance here. We're pushing down in 3, 2, 1. Roll down a little more. Roll down a little more. Stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here. We're pushing back up to the lords. Back up. 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 Back on up. Back on up. Back on up. Purging. 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 Keep focus at the bottom. Starting up on the left side, putting stealth down in 3, 2, 1. Stealth now, stealth now. We're pushing down in 3, 2, 1. Hug the left side, guys. Hug the left side. Get ready to roll forward in 3, 2, 1. Rolling here. I don't have any tomes ready. I need CC on circle. CC on circle. Stabs up. Stabs up. Lots of damage here on circle. Then bomb right here. Bomb right here. Don't push any farther than me. Stay right here. Stay right here. We're rotating towards the switchback in 3, 2, 1. Towards the switchback. Towards the switchback. Stay with me, guys. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me.
I'm remote.
And then we're going to push back towards the bridge in 3, 2, 1. Push back to the bridge. I'm hugging the right side. I'm going to get purging up on circle. They're all broken.